The time you didn't expect.
Alléluia.
Amen.
Elle ne s'y attendait rien.
She was not expecting anything. The time of the harvest
Et
came.
Rebecca a dit,
And Rebecca said,
j'irai.
I will go.
J'irai.
I will go.
Elle a compris.
She
Ça,
understood
c'est le temps de la moisson.
that this is the time
Mon
to
frère, ma
harvest.
soeur,
Listen, beloved.
cette année,
This year,
tu dois comprendre
you should
le
understand
temps de la moisson.
the time of your harvest.
Peut-être c'est cette année.
Maybe it's this year.
C'est le temps que tu
It's
construis
the
la maison.
time that you build a house.
Là, tu dis non, non, non.
You say, no,
Je dois bâtir ça demain.
I should build it
Je dois
tomorrow.
construire ça
I should
demain.
build it tomorrow.
Hier,
Yesterday,
pendant que je priais, je
when I was
réfléchissais.
praying and
Je
thinking,
me suis dit,
I said to
combien
myself,
de familles,
how many families,
des familles congolais,
Congolese
qui
families,
leurs pères avaient des grands
that their
noms,
fathers had great names,
que leurs enfants
and
aujourd'hui,
their children today,
ils sont grands noms plus que leurs
they
pères.
are greater names than their fathers.
Ah, ok.
Very few.
Alléluia.
Amen.
Alléluia.
Amen.
Même à la famille Kukumbelu, c'est
Even the Kukumenu Siseko family,
aujourd'hui, ceux qui sont venus de
today,
lui
those who came of him
ne sont pas plus grands que
are
leurs
not
pères.
greater than their
Parce
father.
que pendant que leur père
Because
était là,
once their father was
ils
there,
n'ont pas compris.
they didn't
Ça,
understand.
c'est le temps des moissons.
This is the time to harvest.
Ton père ne sera pas toujours là.
The father wouldn't always be
Ta
there.
mère ne sera pas
Your
toujours
mother
là.
will not always be there.
Ça, c'est le temps d'étudier.
This is the time to
Ça, c'est le
study.
temps d'aller à
This is
l'université.
the time to go to
Pendant qu'on a
university.
le moyen de payer les
Once there's still means to pay fees, once there's still means to pay transport, once there's means to support you,
moissonner tes études,
harvest your studies,
moissonner les diplômes.
harvest degrees.
Parce que demain,
Because
tu
tomorrow,
ne sauras pas moissonner.
you wouldn't know how to harvest.
Tu dois comprendre les
You should
temps.
understand the times of harvest.
Tu dois comprendre les temps.
You should understand the time of harvest.
Écoutez l'église.
Listen, church.
Le temps de la moisson surnaturelle
Time of supernatural harvest
exige le discernement
requires discernment
et la flexibilité de l'esprit.
and spiritual flexibility.
Qu'est-ce que j'ai dit?
Whatever I say,
Le temps de la moisson surnaturelle
times of supernatural harvest
exige le discernement
requires
et
discernment
la flexibilité de l'esprit.
and spiritual flexibility.
Rebecca était flexible en esprit.
Rebecca was flexible in her spirit.
Rebecca avait le
She
discernement.
had discernment.
Elle a compris ça.
She understood that this
C'est la visitation
is
de
the
Dieu.
visitation of God. I wouldn't leave it to pass.
Ça,
This
c'est le langage de Dieu.
is the language of God.
Alléluia.
Amen.
Cette année, je vais vous parler sur les opportunités.
You see, I want to speak to us of opportunities. This beloved.
Opportunité, il y a quand même
Opportunities come
na visage ya mafinga.
even in an insulting face.
Azofinga yo.
They're insulting you,
Mais na se ya mafinga.
but under those insults, a blessing comes
Soki
to you.
otali mafinga.
When you look at the insults, you will miss what is hidden under.
L'opportunité peut venir.
The opportunity
Il y
could
a des
come.
propositions dérisoires.
The proposition,
Au place
but
exacte.
there's no place.
Mais il y a quand on la clean.
Come be a cleaner.
Ne vois pas clean.
Don't see the position as clean. Understand you've entered the system already.
Nazaraki libanda.
I was outside.
Mais le quoi na komi clean.
Now that I'm a cleaner,
Na koji ya
I
system.
already entered the
Na komi
system.
komona ndenge patron
I
aleka.
see how the
Na
boss
komi
works.
ndenge terrain su
See now
basara.
some workers
Lokola
are
na zawana.
Yes, I'm there.
Cette opportunité
This opportunity,
donnera une autre opportunité.
give another opportunity
Tu vas moissonner de quelque
to
chose.
harvest something.
Alors cette année,
So this
tu dois
year,
être
You
flexible
should
à
be
l'esprit.
flexible in your
Tu dois
spirit.
être quelqu'un qui a
You
le
should be someone who's
discernement.
got discernment.
Faut comprendre le langage des choses.
Understand the language of things.
Faut comprendre le langage des choses.
Understand the language of
Faut
things.
comprendre le langage des choses.
Understand the language of
Hier,
things. Yesterday,
j'étais avec un ami
I was
pasteur.
with a beloved
Et je
pastor,
l'ai conduit dans ma
and
voiture.
I drove him in my
Et il
car.
m'a dit, pasteur,
And he told me, Pastor,
appelons ce monsieur.
let's call this man.
Je vais lui passer. Bishop,
We called a certain great bishop.
Tant que ben hier,
Once we called
alors
him,
il est pasteur.
I said, Pastor,
Il était ici.
he was
Il
here.
vient pour un
He
programme.
came for a program.
Mais je lui ai dit,
But I told him,
j'ai mon grand frère
I have my
là.
older brother in the
J'ai
town.
dit, toi associé
I
dans
want us
le
to
travail.
involve him in that work.
Alléluia.
Amen.
Là, même dans la voiture,
I brought someone in the car, but he took his phone,
avec une grande
called a
personnalité.
great personality.
J'ai compris.
I understood.
Ça, c'est l'opportunité.
This is an
N'a pas
opportunity.
dit c'est à côté.
I don't reject
Je
it.
dis à Io,
I said maybe
avec
yes.
la pasteur,
And he says,
on
Pastor,
va se voir.
we will
On
meet
va parler.
and we'll speak.